Okay, so it's Thursday today, and I'm just going to try and get everything shot and photographed. So let me show you what I'm doing, kind of moving everything around in the studio so I can use the space properly. So there are all the bags that I need to shoot, all the bag charms, and there are all the skirts that I need to shoot. I think I might have shown you last night, but yeah, I've got a good few done, and if I have time tonight, I'll make more. I think a few more. I think I can make 2 more like this one. I think that's a really nice one. So my plan is I'm going to clear out all these pieces here and then use this rail to take like product shots. Probably put the camera facing here and do some shots of the skirts. So now I'm going to go through and try on each of the skirts and try and get some good photos wearing them. Just like pictures kind of this part, but I'll see, because it's kind of hard to navigate with like a tiny tripod, but I'll see what I can get done. But yeah, so I'm just going to go through each skirt, and I have on those vintage shoes as well, which I really like, and some ripped jeans. I'll probably try some looks without jeans on, but I like them for now. So bright today. Okay, so it's Friday. I've just finished, well, yesterday I finished shooting all of the bags and all of the charms, and then this morning I had to shoot all the skirts. So the launch is tonight in 6 hours, so I just have to really work quite hard to get that done. Yeah, so here's everything that's done. It's all the bags, all the skirts, and then all the charms here. So I'm just going to be sitting on my laptop and editing basically for the rest of the day, hopefully getting there on time. I like to use my ironing board as my laptop thing because I just like the height of it in comparison to my desk. So yeah, I'm just going to sit here and work away for the day.